Is it love?
Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? Just cause you show a little affection, make it scream when we sexy. Have a good time when we chillin', it don't necessarily mean we in love. Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? I respect your mind, I respect your soul, I respect your heart. Just cause we got this connection, it don't necessarily mean we in love. Don't be mad at me, girl, I'm asking you, please don't be mad. I got your text last night and I didn't respond, I was out with my mans. But the bigger reason I didn't respond, I ain't understand. You said something like you got more than love and I'm your only man. Look, I don't want you to take it personal, but the way that you taking my kindness, probably a little too personal. Yeah, I got love and yeah, I show love, but that do not mean I'm in love with you. Besides, I think you forgetting the fact that I know too much of your personals. Just last month, you fucked 2 niggas cause you swore both of them was wifing you. One of them, I used to beef with heavy, way back in high school. I ain't trying to judge, I go based off a person's actions. I fucks with you, and you mad cool, but me and you, we can't have it. We both go a little too savage, fuck around and go at it. Put in too many emotions, leaving our friendship damaged. I played this game before, trying to make friends that should stay as friends, way more than friends. Crossing that line, it all falls down in the end. Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? Just cause you show a little affection, make it scream when we sexy. Have a good time when we chillin', it don't necessarily mean we in love. Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? Is it love? Is it love? Is it love? Is it? I respect your mind, I respect your soul, I respect your heart. Just cause we got this connection, it don't necessarily mean we in love. She a ride or die, won't let nobody disrespect me. Nope. See a bitch coming on my neck, smack a bitch straight in her neck. She know I be grinding, flipping this music, my mind get a little stressed. She clutch, I ain't even gotta say nothing, had a Dutch and a weed on deck. I don't wanna lose what we got, girl, I don't want it to end. I thought we agreed that we would live free and we would stay freedom friends. The way that we fucking, the way that I fuck you, I know that it'll leave you confused. But I can't lie, see I testify, girl, it almost called me too. Them strokes go from coast to coast, long distance like a phone call. That don't mean we in love, but if you need me, girl, make a phone call. I got your back and I know you got mine, you ride for me and vice versa. If we try to put a label on his head, we probably make things a little worse. Besides, I'm still young and still like to have fun. Too many bad women under the sun. If I make you my wife, I might cheat on you, boo. Relationship problems that I have been through, you will love hard with your feelings induced. Wondering why that I don't show improve. Then you'll be hurt and be mad as a bitch when you find out the feeling is not mutual. So chill.